Shivoham, welcome to Life of Chikki. We are in 3rd standard along with Arjuna and Chikki. Do you want to find out what both of them are up to today? So far, they have traveled to the first 2 units of the NCERT Marigold textbook, and today we are in Unit 3. Let's find out what is in store for Arjuna and Chikki, and today they are at their school. The teacher came to the class and announced that it was a very special day today, a day where all the children got to show what they can do. It was a do-it-yourself day, a DIY day. Everybody was very happy. Today, everyone gets to show their creativity. Wait a minute. There's one little girl who is not looking very happy. Why is Chikki not happy? And Arjuna wants to find out. He goes to her and asks, Chikki, it is a wonderful day today, and we get to do whatever we want. Your face, however, is showing the wrong expression. Why is it not happy? Come on, we can create whatever we want today. Oh Arjuna, says Chikki, I enjoy the regular days much better, Even if I sleep in the class, nobody is bothered. I can do nothing in every single class. But today, I have to do something. I have to think and work and come up with something creative that requires a lot of effort, answered Chikki lazily. Arjuna doesn't know what to do. And whenever he has no answer, he talks to Lord Krishna. He keeps his hand on his heart and calls out, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. The moment Lord Krishna's name is chanted by our dear Arjuna, he notices something. Outside the window, there is a little squirrel, and the squirrel is holding a little acorn. Arjuna remembers something. He remembers a poem titled Little by Little. He immediately goes to Chikki and narrates the poem for him. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Chikki, come on, you just need some motivation. See how the little seed grew up all by itself? Step by step, little by little, you can do it too, says Arjuna. He drags Chikki to play Arise India games, and these games will help Chikki collect all the crystals of self-motivation. Is Chikki motivated to do something now? Wait a minute, she has an idea. But what is stopping her? She has collected enough crystals of self-motivation. She has an idea too. What is this idea? Let's find out as we progress in our journey of life of Chikki along with Arjuna and Chikki. If you want to join us on this journey of life of Chikki, then please subscribe to this channel. Share it with everyone who loves to learn like the Pandavas. Visit our website arisegurukulam.com to join Arise India now.